Hello, I am your host, Petra. Roy will be competing for a prize and the last one left is the winner. Anyway, let's start the intro. BFC, only one can win the show. It's determined by reviewers who will win. Okay, so your first challenge is to find a junior. Here are the rules. You need to find your junior. The first two people to find your juniors will be picking the teams. Go. Hey, go someone to form an alliance.
Yes.
I made this thing called box. I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, help.
Flying Fisher is the first one to be picking the teams. Hey, Bodge, wanna have a crush on me?
No.
Ah! Oof.
Ah. Thank you.
Want to be friends?
Yeah.
Oof. And you're the last one to pick the team, Cindy. Wait, why are the picture juniors? Oof. 5 hours later. So anyway, see you in episode 2.